In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a talking AI avatar.
Welcome to our guide on creating your very own AI avatar.
I guide you through the process step by step. Let's dive in. So the first thing you've got to do is go to Leonardo AI. You can choose whatever text-to-image generator you want to use, but I use Leonardo AI. It's pretty cheap and gives good results. I like it. I put all the links in the description of the video, so check it out. Now you go to image creation, and on the left side you have some options. You can leave them on default settings. If you have the free version, you can only use fast mode. Still, you'll get very good results, but the resolution will be a little bit lower. But everything else is basically the same. I'll put it on quality. So then you put in the prompt. I have a prompt already pre-written, so I paste it in. Guy with brown hair, sitting on a modern gaming chair, smiling and looking into the camera. Click on Generate. This takes a while. So let's look at these pictures. I like this guy. So we can upscale the image to get a higher resolution. This also takes a while. Once you're done, you can download the picture, and you are ready with this step. Next, we let an AI write a short narrator text for our avatar. So go to ChatGPT, for example, and then you let it create a short narrator text. I put in this prompt. Write a short narrator text for a YouTube video about how to make an AI avatar. Boom! And there you have it. Great text. So that's basically it. You can also use any other AI tool to write it. In the next step, we generate the voice for the avatar. Go to Elevenlabs. You can take whatever text-to-speech software you want to use. I like Elevenlabs. And so you copy and paste the text right in, and then you choose a voice.
The thing always happens that you really believe in.
Life without love is like a tree without blossoms or fruit.
Love all, trust a few, do wrong to none.
The thing always happens that you really believe in.
I choose this one.
And the belief
It's kind
in
of
the
cool.
thing makes
Choose
happen.
it. And then you click on Generate Speech. Now it generates the audio.
Welcome to our guide on creating your very own AI avatar. Whether you want a digital twin for streaming, virtual meetings,
Download it, and that's it. Now the next step. This step is optional. We're going to delete the pauses in the audio file. I'll show you different methods on how to do this. First, I'll show you how to do it in Adobe Premiere Pro, then in CapCut, and you can also use free tools. Let's start. Put in the audio file, then make a sequence. If you don't see this window here, you can go to Window, Workspaces, and go to Text-Based Editing. So you have this window. Then you click on Transcribe. It takes a while. And now you see these little dots, the pauses. Then you go to Pauses, and now it highlights the pauses. And if it does not highlight any pauses or not enough pauses, you can go to Search Settings, Transcript View. And here, you have the minimum pause length. And you see if I put this to the right, the pauses disappear. But if I put it to the left, more pauses will show up. So I put it to, let's say, like 0.25. So I have lots of pauses, but not too many pauses. Now I click Save, and now you click Delete. Delete all. And you see the pauses are gone. And if I play this...
Welcome to our guide on creating your very own AI avatar. Whether you want a digital twin for streaming...
You still have pauses in there, but they're not so long. It is more fluent, but still natural. Kind of cool. So that's how you do it in Adobe Premiere Pro. Now we are in CapCut. This procedure is pretty similar. I don't have a paid version of CapCut, but I'll show you how you can do it with the paid version. So you put in the file, and then you put the file in the sequence. And now you have this little button here, Remove Filler Words. Now you click this, and it takes a while analyzing. Now you see that it finds the fillers and pauses. And if you have the paid version, on the top here it would show the pauses and different things you can erase like filler words and pauses and stuff like that. So pretty straightforward. And the third method is, you just use some free online tool to remove the silences. You just Google Audio Silence Remover. And there are lots of tools you can try. I put one link in the description of a tool that is free and works well, so you can also use this link. Try it out. Next step, you go to DubDub.com. The link is in the description. So you click on AIAvatar and click on Upload on the left side to upload the picture of your avatar that you created earlier. Then you click on Upload on the right side to upload your audio file, the file you created earlier with Elevenlabs. And now you click on Generate Talking Avatar. And then it tells you the consumption is 6 credits and you have 10 credits. You can make like 50 seconds of video with 10 credits. So if you want to do more, for example, long-form content, you can use another email to get a new account and create more seconds. Or you can pay for it, whatever you want. Then you click on Generate. Now here you see it says Processing. And it says it takes around 10 minutes for a 1-minute clip. So this really takes a while. Once it's ready, you can preview it if you want.
Welcome to our guide on creating your very own AI avatar.
So, pretty cool. Maybe this voice is a little bit too old for this young guy. But who cares, right? Now you can download it, click on this, and download the video. And there you have the video with the talking avatar.
Welcome to our guide on creating your very own AI avatar.
We are back in Premiere Pro with our talking avatar. The problem is we have this watermark, and we're going to remove it. I'll show you different methods on how to achieve this. Basically, what we are doing is we make a screenshot from the video, remove the watermark, and put the screenshot back over the video. When I'm playing it, you see only the head is moving, everything else is not. So basically, everything down here doesn't change. So you can just put the screenshot over it and then crop it to remove the watermark. In this case, you could make a black mask, but in other cases, it's very hard to remove the watermark. I'm showing you the best methods to do it, and you can do this with Photoshop, Canva, or you use some online tool. I put a link in the description. So first you do a screenshot, and then we go to Photoshop. So back in Photoshop with the picture imported. And the fastest way to do it in the newer version of Photoshop is with generative fill. So you just select the area you want to remove, and you write in here, remove, and you press enter. And that's basically it. You see, it's removed. If you have Canva, you can use that as well. Or you can use a free alternative to Photoshop and remove it manually. Another easy way to do it, just Google remove watermark free, and then you have a lot of options. I put a link in the description for a site that works. So you can try this as well. Now back in Premiere Pro, for example, with the new picture which has the watermark removed. Next, you put the picture over the video layer. Now we have to crop it so only the lower part of the video is affected. So what we're going to do is we disable the video layer, then we go to Effects, Crop, and now we crop the top, like this. And we crop a little bit from the right. Doesn't matter that much in this case. And now you see, if we put back on the other layer, we see the video has no watermark. Now we extend this to the length of the video layer, and now we have the talking avatar without a watermark.
Welcome to our guide on creating your very own AI avatar.
Perfect. And you can nest it or pre-comp it. Right-click Nest. And now you don't have to worry about it. You just have this one layer. This is better for overview in larger projects. And now I'm going to show you how to do this in CapCut. It's basically the same thing. So now we're in CapCut. It's almost the same as in Premiere Pro. Put the picture over the video, make it as long as the clip, and then you go to Mask Rectangle, make it a little bit smaller and put it over the watermark. And now you see it's gone. And so basically the guy is talking and there's no watermark. Yeah, that's basically it. If you plan to use the avatar in a vertical video, or you crop all sides of the character to use it like a small avatar, then of course you don't even need to remove the watermark. So yeah, that's basically it.
Welcome to our guide on creating your very own AI avatar.
I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, drop a comment below. I'll see you in the next video.